So hi, there are interesting news for Pyscript, a Pyscript update, and let's see what it's about. So Pyscript updates with Bytecode Alliance, Pyodide, and Micropython. So the Anaconda team is continuing um, to work on this Pyscript project that, as you may know, it is a project that means to um, make us to be able to create code in Python into a web page so that we can see the code to be seen into the browser, just like JavaScript. It's at an early stage, but as we are seeing here, there is a lot of work that it's going on and a lot of collaboration. So we can see that Anaconda has joined the Bytecode Alliance, so to make improvements on the standards of WASM and WASI that is used to make Python run at a certain speed into the browser. Then we have also the this they are we see that they are continuing to work with Pyodide, and this is very important to for the Pyscript project. and and then we have also MicroPython, a collaboration with MicroPython, and so we can read that we could use different runtimes. So MicroPython is very fast, and so if this runtime that uses MicroPython maybe um, may fit for your project, you will use this or use another type of runtimes if not, and so you can choose multiple runtimes due to your needs. So another things that we can also check on the site of Pyscript is that we have some example here, so we can choose. We can see some example directly from the home page of Pyscript. And for example, we got the hello world page with the script, and you see here you can print something with Python. You can get the source code here and see how it works. And you see here that these are the script that you have to call to run Python in the browser, that is pyscript.js, and then you have the code into this uh, into here, this Pyscript text, and you see here that import is importing datetime, and so it creates an object with datetime.now that gets the as an output the date of today, and then you show the date with the strip time, and with this particular way to show the date that you see is different from country to country. So um, and then there are also other there are also other examples, and you can also see you can also run something into this online editor, and you see here you can use MicroPython or Pyodide as you want, and you can see the result down here. So, and you see here the version, it's MicroPython in this case, the runtime, and you can run it with Pyodide, and you see that we get the same result using this other runtime here. There are other examples, as I said, on Pyscript, on the page of Pyscript, and so just to check another one, we can see a clock or Apple or the to do app. Let's see this. It's very nice. Sometimes you can find some errors, and you can make your to-do list here, and so that's you can, if you want to check the code for this, you go and check code, the HTML code, and you see here we have Pyscript search. So the Python code is not in the page, in the web page, in the HTML, but it's on a different file that has all the code, and this is the link to that. If you click here, you can see the code, and you see how this is Python, and this is how the the app works. So that's all for Pyscript. So there are exciting news, and we can look to see other new features and other improvements in this very exciting project, Pyscript. See you soon.